Okay, so this is starting 5-9. This is going to be part 1. These are fractional equations. The good news about this is the process does not change. Again, first step is find LCD. Second step is multiply by the LCD. And from that, we will end up doing a few things outside of that. Okay, so let's just look at our first example. Number 1. Number 1 is 1 over x minus 1 over 2x equals 3. Our LCD is 2x. So that's what I'm multiplying by, 2x. So I'll do this the long way. I get 2x times 1 on top, 2x, and 2x. And from there I get times 1 over x minus times 1 over 2x equals times 3. Okay, so doing each of those. Some stuff cancels. The x cancels. The 2x cancels. So we get 2 minus 1 equals 6x. Negative 1 is equal to 6x. Divide by the negative 1. I get negative 1 over 6 equals x. I do need to check. The idea with the check is, does it make a denominator equals 0? Okay, that's the question. So I would take it and I'd plug it in here. That's not 0. 1 over negative 1, 6 is not 0. 1 over 2x is not 0. So we're okay with that. All right, let's look at another one. This is number 2. All right, number 2 is 5 over y minus 1 minus 4 over y plus 1 equals 0. Okay, so we need to find our LCD. LCDs start to get a little more complicated. Our LCD is y minus 1 times y plus 1. Okay, so that's what I multiply by. Okay, so that's my LCD. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to rearrange this a little bit. We've got this over here. That's a y. Okay, so I multiply my top by y minus 1, y plus 1. And that's all over that. Take that. Slide this over. I take that and I multiply it on the top by y minus 1, y plus 1. And of course we all know that we multiply the right, y minus 1, y plus 1. This is a step I don't normally write out just because of how much you have to write stuff out. Stuff cancels. Y minus 1 cancels. Y plus 1 cancels. And by the way, that whole thing is 0. So I get 5 times y plus 1 minus 4 times y minus 1 equals 0. Distribute 5y plus 5 minus 4y plus 4 equals 0. Combine like terms. 5y minus 4y is y, plus 5 plus 4 is 9 equals 0. Subtract the 9, I get y is equal to negative 9. Again, I check. Look back at my original. If I plug in 9 here, do I get 0? No, I get 8. If I plug in 9 here, or negative 9 here, do I get 0? No, I get negative 8. Plug in 9 there, I get negative 10. So we're good on those. Okay, we'll pick a few more examples up in part 2.